Hey there, it's Kelly Saggione here in Gilbert, Arizona. As we round out our winter and head into a warmer spring, I just wanted to give you some simple home maintenance tips. Let's jump in. Consider having your HVAC system serviced. Do this at least once a year, ideally twice, but it's important to get this tackled before heavy use during the summer. Make sure to swap out those nasty filters monthly too. Our filters are disgusting. We changed them the other day. That's what made me think of this list. I was like, oh God. Don't plant any shrubs or flowers too close to your house. It's wise to plant things at a minimum 18 to 24 inches from your stem wall, as you don't want a termite attractant or water pooling around your home. I don't like talking about septic. It's nasty. All my horse property people, don't forget your septic needs to be pumped every 3 to 5 years, depending on your household size and your usage. But don't forget to use Rid-X monthly. This will help break down buildup in your tank. For best results, use Rid-X at a time where your plumbing won't be in use. Don't forget about our hard water here in Arizona. Consider flushing your hot water heater to avoid particles building up in the tank. Look for termite tubes around your stem walls. These guys like to set up shop, but luckily in Arizona, it's an easy fix. We don't tent the homes like in Joe Dirt. We do subterranean termite treatments where they drill into the ground. Lastly, check your smoke alarms. Make sure the batteries are fresh. If one starts chirping, chances are they're all gonna go out, so just replace them all at once. If you need the names of trusted local vendors, please don't hesitate to reach out. I love being a resource for homeowners here in Arizona.